Today, we're going to walk through how students can use the test prep tools in Kuder Navigator to prepare for college entrance and AP exams. After logging in, click Plan for Education on the left-hand menu, then select Test Prep. Inside Test Prep, you'll see two main sections: Prepare for entrance exams and Prepare for AP exams. In entrance exams, students can take prep courses and practice tests for college entrance exams, including the SAT, ACT, Accuplacer, ASVAB, and GED. Each one opens in a new browser tab through Peterson's. If nothing happens, just allow pop-ups in your browser. In AP exams, students can access up to 38 practice tests across subjects like science, math, computer science, English, history, social science, world languages, and more. After completing any course or test, results appear under My Portfolio, then Test Prep results. Please allow up to 24 hours for your scores to appear. With Test Prep in Navigator, you're ready to take the next step toward college success.